All right, and now, woo, wow, wow. Oh, my computer. All right, you guys, so today we have featured here a misting fan kit. This misting fan comes with its own 6-gallon jug, collapsible, portable. You gotta love it because you can take it to football practice, soccer practice, football games, soccer games, camping, family reunion, anything dealing with hot weather. You will be, yeah, you will be the cool one at the party. Smells like the pool. Y'all know that pool smell when you get a pool? All right, that's as far as it open there, and then it opens the rest on this side. So there you go. Has a port right here, handle on two sides. Lift up, strap. You can strap it around, carry it like that, tighten it up some more. If you want to carry it like this, loosen it. All right, this is all the way loose, you guys. All right, and that's a little bit more comfortable. A controller, power, USB Type-C, 4,000 milliamps, which gives you 4 to 5 hours of misting time. So 6 gallons, 4,000 milliamp, give you all the connectors that you need. We will definitely go over that. Cable ties, it has an arrow right here, arrow going up, and then they have another arrow going up. Put the long one with the arrow on the bottom. You can loosen this, loosen it all the way, push it in, and then tighten it back up. That's how this stuff seals. They gave us a small little connector right here. We're gonna put that adapter on the top, this on the top. Now we're gonna put this screw on top of this pipe. This pipe is a little bit bigger. Put it on just like that. Now we're gonna put this connector on, push. This is push connects. And now I can go ahead and hook up for my fan. All right, you guys, so 16 foot of hoses. Now, at this point, this is going to be your last point of everything you do. Once you cut hoses, that's it. You're cutting the hose unless you find something else this size at the store or on Amazon. All right, grab me some scissors. Now, first thing first, you want to grab your T. All right, there's a T on here. Don't grab the one with the misting knobs. Grab the T. This is where you cut for your T, and then you're wrapping around your fan. Regular scissors, cutting for the T. Nice and easy. Remember, they don't give you extra, so be smart when you do this. On there like that. They give you zip ties. Put the scissors behind so I could curve it. Put it here. All right. Put that on here. Nice and simple. So now you can put your hose right through here. And now you can wrap it around. And you see how much hose they give you? They give you enough to where you can save the rest if you want to hook it up to a different one. So I'm just gonna put my finger where I want to cut it. Simple as that. Put it in like that. Zip tie. Again, this is not hard, ladies and gentlemen. It's just this is patience. You gotta have patience when you do this. Put your finger where you want it. Cut it. Move on. Make sure you cut it straight. All right, put this through. Then last cut. Zip ties. Definitely gonna need to use zip ties because you need to keep this still. All right, you guys, so there we go. You can make your adjustment with the mist. And let's go ahead, fill this bucket and check out the mist. 3 gallons of water. I'm gonna pour it in. And you guys, this is sealed down here. When you pour it in, it expands out. What you want to do is put your filter inside. That way, if dirt or anything gets in there, it filters out, you know, the dirt. The dirt won't go through. My issue is I need a plug. But I know some people have portable generators. Hook your portable generator up. and then be outside with your family and do what you got to do. We are going to touch our misting button. Oh, I lifted up too high. All right, and now, woo, wow, wow. Oh, my computer. All right, you guys, so that is it. I have to say that this thing is amazing. It was going off and on for a little bit, but I'm telling y'all right now, if you right in front of this, you're definitely getting damped, okay? And I don't mind because it's like 80 degrees out here. But I'll show y'all how damp it is down here. So if so, try to aim it up a little bit higher. So you can aim it up, and then everybody can get wet. All right. Again, it shoots out a good amount of water. So if you ask me in the comments, how many, how much buckets of water should you bring to your soccer game? All right, you guys, so that will be it with the misting fan. Again, you have 6 gallons of water capacity, 4,000 milliamps of misting. So charge this, you get 4 to 5 hours of misting, okay? And then you have whatever fan you can hook this up to. That's the beauty of it. You can hook it up to a battery power fan. The little box fans that we have, you can hook it up to a little box fan and all of that. But yeah, definitely good for outdoors, you guys. Definitely good. And that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.